in 3 straight strikes.
You can't watch 3 balls in a ball. Just go study.
Well, a 32 count, you're supposed to swing.
I don't put that one in the pocket.
Again.
So it goes from here to here.